Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Weverse account. It's really easy to do. Unfortunately, this method isn't instant. There's no way to do it instantly. You do have to send a request into the support team of Weverse, and they will email you back. So first things first, you just want to head over to the Weverse application, and you want to head to the My tab at the bottom, the one with the little person icon. Click on that, and then you want to click on the settings icon in the top right corner. And then once you're on settings, you want to scroll down to UC support, and then where it says Help Center, and click on the Help Center. And then once you're on the Help Center, you want to click on one-on-one support, your only option there. And then it's going to ask you what type of inquiry do you have. So obviously you want to click on that and go to delete account. Then it will pop up with this stuff here. So you're just going to want to put your email address, subject, and description. So we're just going to do a test email here. And then subject, you could put delete account. And then as the description, as your description here, you want to put, please delete my account and all of its data. And then once that's done, you just want to click on submit. And then we just get through the capture here. And then you just want to click on submit. And then you'll see at the top there, it says your request was successfully submitted. And like I said before, it will take possibly a couple days just because their support team has to get through to your email and approve it. But I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this Weverse video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.